my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy LSRI254, man. In another video, I was telling y'all how we had that bubble and a tire, so we really haven't been riding it. I ordered some tires off of eBay today. I should have them in about 4 days. When those get in, man, we'll get them on, get them mounted. Like I said, 245 30s. Oh yeah, 245 30 22s. I did a little research. I mean, that just happens when it's I guess the tire is like worn. I mean, that was used tires, so I mean, I guess what did I expect? So, I am, however, going to put the hold on, move this out of the way. I'm gonna probably just put the one on and go from there. It did say that the cause of it is like when the air seeps into the outer shell of the tire, but very, 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 very dangerous to ride on. Do not do it. So that's why the Cutlass has been parked, and y'all haven't seen me in it making no videos. This one is still good, so like, I mean, I'm gonna try to get my money worth out of it, and go from there. But what the fuck, bro? I don't know what the fuck is up with this shit leaking. That shit look like a fucking murder scene, bro. It's gotta be that fucking dipstick tube something. I don't fucking know, bro. So I'm about to pull this bitch back out. I didn't even see that shit. Damn. So that's probably what I'm gonna do tomorrow, man. Like that's gotta be like my next video. Fucking after this one probably go. Find out why the fuck this train was. That shit ain't fucking cheap to just be sitting there on the ground like that. Just look at it. And I'm pretty sure it's the fucking tube seal on this one. So I'm gonna buy 2 tube seals, one for this one for this one, double check the lines, and then go from there. I'm pretty sure it's not the tube seal on this one. So I really don't know what the fuck is going on with this one, but yeah. I'm pretty sure it's not the lines on this one because we did the AN fittings, but this one could be the lines, could be the tube seals. So tube seals for both, and then we'll reevaluate the lines, everything like that. Maybe because this one has a higher capacity, because I have the extra that's ran to the oil cooler. I don't fucking know, bro, but that ain't no little ass leak. That's bigger than the leak that's over here, bro. Like, but we're gonna get it taken care of. Like I said, that'll be the next big thing. Should be a simple fix, but we shall see. What I'm about to do now, man, we're gonna go to the parts store. I need to get a bolt. Now I had a bolt originally, but apparently it is missing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take the bolts out of here. One of the ones that I bought, I'm gonna take it to the store, mash it up, and then go from there. Run a couple of my little other errands so that I can put my cap back on there, because that is an ugly. I just don't. It just doesn't look as good when the cap is not on it. Like, I mean, it looks good, but it's like not its true potential. So that's like a regular saying when you know you can be a Super Saiyan God. So yeah, we're gonna go pick these up. Look at that, beautiful. So yeah, so I ordered, like I said, ordered 2 tires. We'll do the one on that side because they got a bubble for sure. And then, I mean, we might just go ahead and swap out both of them, man. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Should I just go ahead and switch both of them? You know what I'm saying? Maybe sell this tire. This doesn't have a bubble before we get a bubble, and then run the 245/30s in the front. And then next little piece of check I get, run the 240, then buy another set of 245s for the back to get rid of them 265s. That way we can go ahead and probably come down and lower it. With the 245 on there, we may even be able to remove them spaces. I am not 100% sure, but we'll be one step closer to finding out. So I know that 265, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. So yeah. So possibly with with a smaller spacer and a smaller tire, it should put us where we want to be. So we'll buy those 245. Like said, I got those. They got the front ordered. Once we figure that out, then boom, jump to the back, take care of this. All right, so we got the cap off of that one. Got the bolt. I'm gonna just probably go ahead and knock out 4 of these again. Or maybe last time I bought 2, but I'm gonna just buy 4, and then that way I have the one for that one, and then any spares if I lose them. But you know, it is what it is. I'm pretty, like I said, I know I had it, but I know I had all 4. Went and bought them before, but it happens. So they'll get it again. We'll go from there. So let's get to the action. Seam, solid beam. Truck just cut off. These extra lights. That's why it was so lit in here. All right, man. Just so we go hip hooray. All right, so here we are at the store. Get our bolt. Gonna find the one that fits. I got one of these at the house, but for the purpose of this video, we'll do it for you here. So M8 by 125 is what we're looking for. Thread pitch. Length, I'm not exactly sure, but we can get it figured out. Now I'm pretty sure this is where I bought this from before. So these is like studs like that. Oh yeah, see, I meant to get some longer bolts too for my fucking vise because I was gonna run them bitches through longer. But now I don't know what size I need. It'll probably be something like that. 250 at $259 each. I'm gonna make sure. Right. I'm going to fucking make sure. Okay, socket head screw caps. M6, M8 by 60, 50. Are they out of them shits? Because this is longer. Yeah, see, because this is the one that they got, and then this is the one I got, so that's definitely shorter. But this length is what I need, so that's not gonna be it. Alright, so M10, that's too big. Too big, bro. What you doing, bro? It's too big, bro. What you doing? That was too small. That should be right here, M6 and M8. But they not. Well, see, that's supposed to be M8 by 2025, so they actually not where the fuck they supposed to be. That ain't my bad. It's other people, other shitty people that have fucked up the church's money. Damn. So this is what we finna do. See, this is all standard though. Bitch, bro. They got some chrome ones. The shit is chrome anyway, so of course the size that I need is not there though. Because I mean, technically I only need one, but I like to have backups and shit, bro. Like, I don't want to get caught out this bitch with my pants down. Let's see. Socket heads, cool, the socket head. So it might be what I have to settle with. M6. See, that's M8, but it's the button head, not the other ones. I said the actual wrenches. It's not the right size. I don't want to do it, but they really kind of leaving me with no choice. Squares. Alright, let's go over here. Yeah, they kind of leaving me with no choice, man. I'm gonna have to get these black chrome ones. They're all here, but them bitches is like $5.79 each and shit. So Big Bank Hank, $20. As we can get our length right and everything. So that's the same one there. Make sure that this thread's in there like it's supposed to. So yeah, we're gonna have to go with those. Damn. Alright, so we back. As you can see, got the hubcaps on there, got the bolts. Now everybody is uniform. I didn't do no video of me putting a screw in and put a cap on. I ain't think y'all needed that. Very next video, bro. Like I'm on that shit. If I ain't have to get ready to go to work, I'll be on that shit today. Like I said, I'm losing unnecessary fluid. So we're gonna get them seals tonight. Tonight, nigga. And try to get that solved. And then you can see we got the cover on that one. So now it looks ooey. So thank y'all for tuning in. I guess I do a cold start for y'all since y'all went through all the boring stuff. A little cold start for y'all. But yeah, I definitely got to figure out what's up with that transmission fluid, because that's no bueno.